How to see saved passwords on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see saved passwords on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you're new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. So previously there was not an app called Passwords, but now with the iOS 18 update, there is an app called Passwords. So you can simply head over to Passwords. So just search for Passwords. This is the app right here and open it up. After you open it up, you will see all of your passwords that you have saved here. As you can see, all of your passwords, you can tap on all and there you have all of your passwords. You can head over to anyone to see those passwords. Now there is also the passwords for your Wi-Fi's. So head over there and just tap on one and you can even get your QR code. So just tap on one and there you can see show network QR code option too. So that is another way that you can get your Wi-Fi's password. Other, you can see your security options. You can check out your passwords there and you also have your passkeys. So you can simply head over to one, tap on all, tap on one, and from there you can get your password. And yeah, that is how you can see all of your saved passwords on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.